Alright, so me and Amit are going for a weekend trip to Sundarbans and we are vlogging the trip. You got to watch it till the end if you want to know all the details. In this video, I have put down every little detail you want to know to make your own trip. So first we are going to Backpackers Office, which is near Park Street. Hi guys! So today we are going to the UNESCO World Heritage in Bengal. We are going to Sundarbans and I'm super excited because this is my first time and I will take you along to my entire journey, stay and everything else. So you have to follow and watch till the end. We had done a pre-booking with them. I will leave the link in the description box and all the details will be there. Along with that, I will share my entire experience. First, we took a traveler. This was a pre-booked traveler wherein other people were also traveling with us, and we were first going to Godkhali. They had also served us some breakfast in the traveler itself, banana sandwich, water. That was enough. So we have now stopped for tea and pee. Time is about 11 o'clock and it is already 3 hours. I'm moving in the bus and before that we are going to have some tea. So that's the traveler. After 4 hours in the traveler, we finally reached Godkhali, which was the first pit stop where the vehicle has gone for parking, and now we will continue the rest of the journey in water, on boat, on ferries. So this was our first ferry. We were taking to Gosaba, which was the first major marketplace and the only marketplace basically near the Sundarbans. Okay, so now we have reached the marketplace in Gosaba, which is the only stop from where you can buy anything that you want to, right from your eateries or from your hard drinks or your soft drinks or any kind of things, essentials which you will not get after you cross this place. So if you stop by here for 10 minutes, buy what you want to and then go for the rest of the tour and enjoy. You might be thinking that it is such a long journey. Yes, it is, because till date there is not a proper route on road to go to Sundarbans because Sundarban is in a delta area. So now we have reached this point called Jyoti Ram Ghat, and from here we are again going to take a ferry and reach the other side of the island. Till now we were in a rickshaw and it was a fantastic ride, and now let's go further and enjoy and finally visit the UNESCO World Heritage Sundarbans. Here are some pictures which we took on our gadgets for you guys to see, and we were the only vloggers in the trip, so we are having a lot of eyeballs on us. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content coming your way. So we have now reached the base camp. Let's come. So after the hectic journey of about 6 hours, we are finally here at the base camp, and this is my cottage. This is my hut basically, and hi, hello. Let's go inside and show you how does it look like. This is the bathroom, which is a very rustic one. The first thing I always check in wherever I stay, and it has a thatched roof obviously because this is a hut, and it also has some mosquito cover going on, and this is window number 1 and window number 2. Okay guys, so right now I am inside my room in the Backpackers Sundarban Day Tours base camp, and I feel completely ecstatic because the journey was little hectic. It was how the locals generally travel from Calcutta if they come to Sundarbans. That kind of an experience we had. I'm not complaining, but yes, it was hectic. Be prepared, it will not be very luxurious. And now that I'm in my den, I feel so relaxed. We are going to have lunch right now. They are serving Indian food. We are going to show you what meal are we going to have. But guys, this feeling of being in the room is so good. Look at that. Now we are on the way to have our lunch. Hello mirror, hello lamp. How gorgeous this place is. Can't get enough of it right away. Beautiful huts, beautiful work with the art. These people are sure artists. Mowgli, you are an artist. See those fishes. Can you see those fishes in the water? ऑलराइट, सो अभी हम किचन एरिया में जा रहे हैं, नॉट किचन, डाइनिंग एरिया में जा रहे हैं. एंड दिस प्लेस वॉज so colorful, vibrant, artistic, beautifully handmade, and look at the way they are serving the lunch. I was pretty impressed. And on the boat here, and also the beautiful paintings and the amazing swinging lunch table. Oh god, what else could I ask for? I'm so ecstatic while I am recording the voice over because I completely remember what I felt that time. I felt joyous because बहुत भूख लगी थी एंड उस वक्त खाना इतना टेम्पटिंग था, इतना अमेजिंग खाना था, इंडियन खाना, पापड़ एंड सैलड एंड ऑल्सो अमेजिंग 3 टाइप्स ऑफ वेजिटेबल्स, वाटर बॉटल, चटनी एंड अमेजिंग, बहुत ही अमेजिंग खाना था, मज़ा आ गया. फिश भी थी. एंड दैट्स व्हाट अबाउट आवर लंच. ऑलराइट, सो अभी हम इको बाय स्टोर में आ गए हैं जो कि विद इन द कैंपस ही है. एंड यहाँ पर बहुत ही अमेजिंग हैंडमेड स्टफ्स आर अवेलेबल विच मे बी द लोकलाइट्स हैव मेड एंड दीज पीपल सेल इट फॉर द टूरिस्ट. एंड दिस वॉज अ लिटिल ओवर प्राइस्ड आई थॉट. एनीवेज, आई जस्ट एक्सप्लोर्ड. But there were some amazing eye-catching pieces and you could never go empty-handed because honey is also available. Okay, so now I am with the man who has founded this place and he's going to take you through and he's going to talk about this place too, Rajesh.
So hi, I'm Rajesh and this is a magical place. Like Sundarban is magical. To put it in a nutshell, you come here, either you love this place or you don't love this place. This place will intimidate you if you don't like this place. There is a certain way of getting intimidated. You go to the night safari and all. You try to experience the nightlife of Sundarbans, and that is the time it tells you whether or not it loves you and you love it back or not. And me, I love it. And a lot of people come around to have this experience. We go inside the tiger reserve to see the tigers and the other animals, but mostly it's the mangroves which is magical. I always keep on saying the high tide, the low tide, the magic lies there. The sky, the night sky is beautiful. And here we have this eco village got done in 2012 where there are all 30 cottages where you have the option of being in the hammock terrace, being in the stargazing, or having a double bed cottage for yourself. When you come with your partner, you can have a bigger cottage which has got family accommodation, as you can see. And yeah, life is easy.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I mean, is this your brainchild?
You can say that, but a lot of people whom I met
Yes,
during the journey.
I can see there's so much of innovative handmade stuff and it's really brilliant. I mean, we coming from the city and being here, it's a very refreshing experience for us. And already we have just come and I'm sure we're going to have a great time.
You will have a great time. Time stops here. You'll see that time goes slow here. Those kind of perks are there when you come to Sundarbans. Yeah.
So when did you start this?
We started this tour, me and my brother Mowgli. We started in 2005. We came here first time. Started bringing one guest, two. We were very happy when we had the first time we had 10 guests.
Okay.
And now we deal in sometimes hundreds during the peak season.
Great.
So yeah, from 2006 we were having homestay with the villagers. Then we were having boat stay, and then we were always looking for a place which would be like this. It was there in our dreams. So in 2012 we got this as a paddy field. We only got 7 coconut trees in this 4 acre of land, and every structure, every tree that you see is since 2012.
Okay, so everything is handmade, handcrafted.
You can say that a lot of people came around, is coming around, and doing a lot of artwork.
Yes.
Also a place where we give this freedom to you to just do what you want with artwork and all of that. So a lot of people came here and opened up their heart here.
Great, great. Good to see, good to hear from you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So we just had our lunch. We did some quick break in the room. Now we are heading for the next leg of the trip. We are going to do the evening tour. Let's go, let's do it, guys. Now we are ready for a boat ride across the river and we are going to cross it, go to the forest. On one side we are where the humans live and on the other it is the forest, deep forest. It was an adventure in its own way because this was my first time and I was really enjoying all of this, really. and the beautiful picturesque surroundings was just making me so mesmerized that I can't explain in words, because you just have to see it to believe it. And I'm sure with the video going on you will know a rough idea that how beautiful that moment was. Golden sunlight touching the water, beautiful. I have uploaded some amazing pictures on my Instagram, so do follow to check those out. And here we took some pictures also, and we're finally back to the base camp, and after spending some time in the hut and loitering around here and there, we were ready for the evening. शाम के 6:30 बज चुके हैं and now we are in our tent. बाहर म्यूजिक ऑन हो चुका है and we are about to leave to have some tea and snacks. बहुत आराम कर लिया. It's time to have some real fun in the base camp, so let's go. So these are some pakoras and the chai. For the first time in my life, I was absolutely enjoying no network and no calls, no messages, because I was swinging my way to watch the stars and the moon. And no, I'm not being poetic. I am absolutely telling you what I felt that night. And it was mesmerizing, and you must experience it if you are ever going to Sundarbans, because the sky over there, कुछ मैजिक ही अलग है. सच बता रही हूँ, कुछ मैजिक ही अलग है वहाँ. We were back to the same dining area जहाँ हमने दोपहर में लंच खाया था, and खाना काफ़ी अच्छा था even dinner time पे, and we were now ready to do something really adventurous. Okay, so we just finished the dinner and now we are heading to night safari, which is super exciting. So let's go.
Let's go.
Hi guys, it's day 2 in Sundarban. We missed the first boat and the breakfast, but we took the second boat and we were there for the safari. It was a beautiful sunny morning, and what was the time? Can you guess where we already missed so much? It was only 7 o'clock only. We will be trying to see the tiger from this boat, and we were there with all of our luggages. Everyone carried their luggage because from here we were going back to home, Calcutta, and the day has just begun. Some tea to start with and some amazing view to go with it. Sometimes it is so good to take a break from social media, from your network, from your work, and come to this place where everything is so disconnected, yet you feel so connected to yourself, to your soul. No, I am not making a poetry, but I am speaking my mind, what I felt that time. Deep, deep water and sky, limitless was all I could see. So it was now time to visit the first tiger reserve of the day, which is called the Dubanki Tiger Reserve. And यहाँ कहा जाता है कि टाइगर पानी पीने आता है. So might as well get lucky and see the tiger from up above. And this is how the place looks like. Very interesting. And we were quite the first timers here, so we were taking as per the drill. And here यहाँ पर ही आता है टाइगर पानी पीने के लिए, बट हमें कोई दिखा नहीं टाइगर, as usual, bad luck. And these are some pictures which I took, and now we're back to the boat and we were now about to have our lunch. But before that we also saw some animals. दो टाइगर्स तो नहीं दिखे, बट हमने बोट से और दूरबीन लगाकर DSLR से काफ़ी फ़ोटोज़ खींची हैं आप सभी को दिखाने के लिए. So have a look. And after spotting a few lovely animals and eating our lunch, we are at the second tiger reserve. So we are in front of the second watchtower right behind me. I know video काफ़ी लंबा हो गया है, but I wanted to give all the details you would like to know. And now I'm at the base of the ship, and how beautiful the water and the place looks like from at this angle, the lower angle. And I wanted to show you this as well. So here are some pictures, beautiful sunset, and the trip is about to end, and bye bye, I'll miss you so much. And I hope guys you enjoyed this video. सारी details आपको मिल गई होंगी. अगर कुछ भी miss out हुआ है, so please जाके नीचे comment करो. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel right now for more such exciting videos. I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye for now.